Aloe vera is a medical plant, can be used to get both health and beauty benefits. Most of the face creams and pain relief balms are made from aloe vera only. It can keep your skin hydrated. If you apply aloe vera gel directly on your skin for 2 times in a week, it will give you n number of benefits. It will make your skin glow, soft, clean and pimple free. It's always better to use fresh aloe vera gel rather than buying it from outside. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin C and E, which helps in keeping your skin glow and healthy. Drinking aloe vera juice will give you beauty benefits. At the same time, it's good for your oral hygiene, improve digestive health, prevents from ulcer and diabetics. In this video, Dr. Gaur is going to explain how to make simple aloe vera juice with just only 3 ingredients, which will make your skin glow and give other health benefits such as control the blood sugar level, helps in weight loss, prevents from hair loss, etc. Let's go into the video now.
Hello. I'm a retired scientist from Indian Council of Agriculture Research. My name is Dr. Devesh Gaur, and in this video I'll explain you how to use aloe vera leaves for making a juice, and the juice which you can even store in your fridge condition. These leaves are cut from the plant from the bottom, and they are kept in this state condition for 2 hours. Within 2 hours, all the latex, this yellow color sap, will be coming out of it. See this, all the yellow color sap is coming out. So this is, this just spoil the stomach. So this should drip automatically, and which comes out automatically. It is under the leaf, under the this cover of the leaf, and it takes 2 hours to come out. And after 2 hours, you can take the leaves and wash it into the water, especially the bottom portion. And after washing it, then you cut it by 1 inch of the bottom portion. You again chop it and you remove it. After removing it, then you cut this side edges. This side thorns you remove, like this side thorns you remove with a sharp knife. Like this you remove from both the sides. Now we have removed from both the sides this. Now now you have to peel it off from one side. You hold the leaf in this condition, and then very carefully this top layer you have to peel off. And there is no need to peel off the bottom layer. And you have to always use always use this very, very sharp knife for peeling it off. After peeling it off, I will show you on the camera also that how it looks like. Now I peeled it off, and see how it looks like. And now to take out this gel, it is a very simple process. These leaves we remove from this board, and the top portion is also cut. That is also, there is not much gel in that. Like this is a top portion of the leaf, so it should be cut, almost 6 inches of it. It should be cut and removed, and then it should be washed. And to take out the gel, you take a simple teaspoon, and with the teaspoon you start from the middle portion. You hold the leaf like this and start from the middle portion, and just very carefully, without disturbing the bottom, this cover, then you take out the gel. It will come out in this form. See, now there is no yellow latex in this. There is only watery color is there. That you put it in the pots like this. Now you put it in this. Then you turn it. Though it is very, very slippery, so you turn it and remove the rest half like this. And this also you can put in this. Now we'll do the next leaf. Same process for the next leaf. You cut 1 inch of the bottom portion again and just it goes as a waste. We have already cut it from the top, this 6-inch portion. This also goes waste. Then again you just remove this side thorns. Like this side thorns are removed with this sharp knife. And now this top layer of we have to just peel it off so that the gel is visible. Like this here with the sharp knife we have removed the top peel off. Then you hold the leaf like this and remove the bottom portion first. And this hard surface is definitely required, otherwise it will keep slipping and the gel will not be coming out easily. Now you just change the leaf, hold it like this, and the rest gel you can take out with the spoon. The process is very simple to take out the gel. You don't need any big machinery or anything. The spoon is sufficient. This is the gel of 4 leaves, and now we'll churn it in a mixie. At a time you can put a maximum, in this mixie, maximum 5 or 6 leaves gel. It is churned only this much time, and after churning you just filter it through this big sieve. But it has got two items. One is the little bit of fiber and the juice portion. The juice is coming out with a lemon cut one. हाँ कनाडी ग्लास juice ready पर कर दे. Now this is the juice portion. This juice portion can be preserved in a fridge condition after putting in one bottle of 1 liter. You put half a lemon juice, or if you don't have lemon juice then you just use the vitamin C tablets, and the seed should not go in this, so you can put it through the sieve. The seed will not go inside. This enhances the medicinal property of the aloe vera, as well as it is a very good preservative for the aloe vera juice. So there are double purpose to put this. And for using this juice, you take this much quantity of the concentrate and add in this, 1 spoon of honey. The sugar or jaggery, that should not be mixed in this. It is very good with honey. And now you add water in this. And now it is ready for drinking after mixing. And this concentrate juice can be preserved in fridge condition for 1 month. Drink, Parag. Now you can just taste it.